Low. Jersey number. Low. Jersey number. Leave the ball. Low. Jersey number. Remove ball. Now jersey number. Team ball. Pass to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, taking the ball on drive. Easy 2 point. Jersey number 9, taking the ball. Pass to the ball. Take the three. Following the pass to jersey number. Alabama, taking the ball. Jersey number 31. Jersey number 22. Pass to Buckeye. Dudra. Rebound by jersey number. Third ball. Pass to Ranky Raymundo. Raymundo. Hollywood Cup. Wala ka rin nawan. Jersey number 53. Pass to Julius Estes. Estoya. Get the basket. Micah Salapang foul. Bonus shot para kay jersey number 22. Jersey number 9, give me the ball. Jersey number, take the three. Ba ba ba! 3 points. Reverse. Easy 2 points para ka jersey number 27. Low. Jersey number. Hit the basket. Micah Salabang foul. Blocking foul, jersey number 9. Jersey number 9. First personal foul, 13 foul. Take the three. Out of bounds, 10-second shot clock. Foul pushing up, second shot clock. 10-second shot clock. Take the three. Offensive foul, jersey number. Second team foul. Second shot clock. Ready to go. 5-second shot clock. Take the pool. Easy to go. Here's another. Jersey number 22, dribble ball. Pass to jersey number. Drive. Pero huli makakuha ni jersey number 04. Jersey number 04, pass to Raimundo. Wala nakakuha ni jersey number 22. Foul jersey number 04. Jersey number 9. Wala kakitang gulangan na kuhan. Jersey number 9. Huga. Easy 2 points para jersey number 9. Julius Estrella. Pass to Alebakay. Take the three. Talo naman kuhan. Jersey number 27. Wala pa rin. Alebakay. Huga. Easy 2 points para kay Alebakay. Jersey number Raimundo. Jersey number Yaming sipag yan. Jersey number. Nakuha ni jersey number. Frankie Raimundo. Easy 2 points na yan. Para kay Frankie Raimundo. Jersey number 22. Drive. Wala katika makakuha ni jersey number 22. Raimundo. Raimundo. Gagamitan ng bilis. Easy 2 points para kay Frankie Raimundo. Jersey number Alebakay. Jersey number 01, dribble ball. Pass to Estrella. Take the three. Jersey number 16. Jersey number 16. Pick umangat. Wala ka na makuha ni jersey number 23. Unika. Saan ka pupunta? Time out. Northern Watts. Select.
Pwede na tayo.
10 seconds shot clock. Low. Jersey number. Jersey number 71, dribble ball. Alebakay. Jersey number 32 points. Jersey number. Here's the one. Remaining time 15 seconds. Jersey number, uniform, jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, he is Carter. 40 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 27, Tunta. Kaluna tapi kamahuan jersey number. Rainbow. Here's the 2 points. Twenty seconds. Foul, jersey number 9. Penalty. Ilan na ilan? Second personal foul. Penalty. Ten seconds. Then second shot clock. Jersey number 22. Jersey number 72. Shot clock. Here's the 2 points for jersey number 8. Jersey number 22, drive. Talunan tapi ka makakuha ni jersey number. Jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 8. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 0, take the 2. Traveling violation. Jersey number 0, Raiola, take the 2. 32 points. Jersey number 22, dribbling ball. Jersey number, Wabili, violation. Same poor power. Jersey number 0, dribbling ball. Jersey number 0, gagamitan ng bilis. 32 points. Pinagpadlang ang depensa ng 12-1 ni Jersey number 0. Jersey number, dribbling ball. Jersey number 8, reverse, wala makuha ni Jersey number. Jersey number 28. Jersey number 29, 2 pound. Pound, jersey number 12-1. Jersey number 3. Okay. 2 shot para kay jersey number 29. 2 pound. Huli ka, saan ka pupunta? Jersey number, hit the ball. Jersey number 15, reverse, sana naman huwag jersey number 0. Pato, Layola. Foul, jersey number 3. Jersey. Jersey number, really hot. Jersey number, 08 pass to jersey number. Allen Baha. Pound 2 pound, jersey number 29. Jersey number, take the three. Pound. The pound.
Guys, sabit ba yung length? Outdoor series?
Take the three. 52 points para kay jersey number 29. Points para kay jersey number 01. Five. Jersey number 0, take the two. Tapi Gamma 1, jersey number 31 at the pounds. Jersey number Divina Alpha. Running time tayo, running time. Jersey number 47. Jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 29. Wala mahuan jersey number 24. Pass to Divina. Divina, dribble the ball. Divina, drive. Wala mahuan jersey number. Bakay gagamitan ng bilis para makuha ang jersey number 27. 52 points, baba sa 8 ang halamangan ng 12-1. 5 seconds. Found jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. 3 seconds. Frankie, inbound the ball. Pass to jersey number. Back to Raimundo. Take a long three. No good air ball. Makuha jersey number 27. Pass to Julius Estoya. 15 sa shot clock. Estoya. Pass to Sopera. Back to Estoya. Estoya. Pass to jersey number 27. Take a long three. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Baba sa pitong labalang ako na North Binwan selection. Wala makuha ni jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number Covera, easy 2 points. Medina, Higa sa urutan na Juan Sopera. Pass to Kain. Loyola. Pass to Sopera. Babangga. Without the goal, we have a whistle. Foul jersey number 14 to shoot. 14 to shoot. Julius Estoya. 10 to shoot.
It comes straight. Trust me.
Wow. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 6. Wala na kuha jersey number 27. Jersey number 27 to the ball. Jersey number 37, pass to Julius Estoya. Take the three. Wala na kuha ni jersey number 8, Divina. Pass to jersey number 15, pass to Divina. 2 points. Jersey number 08. Jersey number 08. Naghahat ng pagkasaan, pass to Igot. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, setting the play, pass to jersey number 8, Divina. Pass to jersey number 6. Kaso wala makuha ni jersey number 8, Divina. Wow. Who's called it? And Michael. Jersey number 0. First personal foul. Second team foul. Wait a minute. Angat sa 8 ang kalamangan ng 12-1. Jersey number 22, give the ball, pass to Kyle Loyola. Pull-up jumper. Wala na kuha ni jersey number 11, pass to single. 14 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 29, pass to Gantang, pasa sa ilalim. 2 points. Jersey number 15, pass to jersey number 34. Ginanon lang ang depensa na North Bulwan. Jersey number 2, jersey number 22, pass to Michael Sanggel, pull up. Wala na kuha jersey number 8, hindi na may foul. Jersey number 0, second personal foul. 3 foul. Jersey number 15, setting up play, pass to Divina, na iwanan sa 3. Wala na kuha na jersey number 23, pass to Allen Bakay nagmamadali. Allen Bakay napakabilis. Allen Bakay 15 to shoot, take the 3. Wala na kuha na jersey number 8, Divina, pero out of bounds. Mapumunta ang bola sa North Bulwan. Jersey number 29. Dribble the ball. Pass to jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, pass to jersey number 00. Ka, saan ka pupunta? Jersey number 9, pass to jersey number 01. 5 to shoot. Easy 2 points. Baba sa 6. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1. Check ball makukuha ni single. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 04. Easy 2 points. Hinagis. Check ball makukuha jersey number 8. Jersey number 8. Take the 3. Wala talunan, dulangan makakuha ni jersey number pass to Divina. Wala na kuha jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, pass to 21. Check ball, mabilis yan. Jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Pass to jersey number 06. 2 points. Angat sa 10. Final. North Bulwan. Official score 49-39. Jersey number 29. Pass to Allen Bakay. 15 to shoot. Pass to Kyle Loyola. Ang mga Atlantos. Wala na kuha ng 21. Wala na kuha ni jersey number pass to jersey number 15. Foul. Jersey number 29. Third team foul. Jersey number 8, Divina. Pass to Maceda. Pass to Frankie Raimundo, setting the play. Pass to jersey number 04. Piso. 2 points. Jersey number 22, dribble the ball. Jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 01. Wala talunan ko lang ang nakukuha ni Igot sa ilalim. Easy to find. Jersey number 19. Jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Pass to jersey number 04. Wala talunan ko lang ang nakukuha ni Igot. Pass to jersey number 2. Pass to Kai Yolo. Easy to find. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 34. Ayan, para may foul. Push ball. Basket. Pangalawang push block ni jersey number 34. Pasok ulit. Angat sa 10. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1, jersey number 2, Pasto. Allen Bakay. Pasto, Kyle Lola. Pero may foul. Tusha. Kondisyon.
Yeah. Ba't pinaparang si Datang? Sasabi mo ay Datang.
Kondisyon talaga. Jersey number 8. Dribble the ball. Jersey number 8, Pasto. Jersey number 19, Raimundo. Pasto. Jersey number 04. 2 points. Jersey number 29, Pasto. Jersey number 01, Allen Bakay, Mangat. Easy 2 points. Jersey number 15, Pasto, Frankie Raimundo. Frankie Raimundo, ginamitan ng bilis. Pasto, jersey number 04, wala talunan. Nakukuha na jersey number 01. Jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, take the long three. Bang, bang, bang. 3 points. Para ang jersey number 01. Baba sa 5. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1, jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Gandang footwork. Kaso wala na ko jersey number 3, Pasto. Jersey number 01, Pasto. Kyle Loyola. 2 points. Baba sa 3. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1. Jersey number 15, dribble the ball. Jersey number 15, jersey Pasto. Divina, Pasto. Alex Ayat, Pasto. Jersey number 04. Wala na kuha ni Divina. Piso. 2 points. Jersey number 15, agawan jersey number 16, Pasto. Jersey number 01. Jersey number 01. Muling susubok. Airborne nakuha ni jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Frankie Raimundo kidnap. Bilis, pero may foul. Aray ko. Jersey number 23, unsportsmanlike foul. Jersey number 23. Sit down ka muna ng 3 minutes. Till 10 seconds. Jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Pass to Divina. 5 seconds. Divina. Wala na kuha na jersey number 1, Kyle Loyola. End of the third quarter. Official score, 59-52. Lama. Ang
Yung volume ng ano? Volume lang ba?
jersey number, jersey number 1, Pasto kay Loyola. Ganda dito, easy 2 points. Kondisyon talaga. Jersey number 12. Jersey number 12, naghanap ng kamukha. Nakita si Single. Check ball, makukuha ni jersey number 12, pass to jersey number 27, pabilisan. Ito na si Alon Bakay. 2 points, baba na lang sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1, 59-56. Jersey number 15, Maceda, pass to Albina. 2 points. Jersey number 01, pass to jersey number 22. Jersey number 22, the ball, pass to Alon Bakay. Wala nakuha ni jersey number 5, jersey number 15. Papinisan ito na kapunan ng 12-1. Foul! Foul! Pangalawang bukso. Basket. Baba sa anin. Check ball. Makukuha ni. Foul! Jersey number 15. First personal foul. First team foul. Jersey number 27. Wala. Holding foul pa, holding foul. Jersey number 12. Wala nakuha na jersey number same ball. Jersey number 3, Prias. Prias. Naghahanap ng kamukha. Nakita si jersey number 16, pass to jersey number 22. Pass to jersey number 22. Foul, 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 foul. Time out. Jersey number 3, Prias. Pass to Albina. Pass to Medina. Wala na kuha ni jersey number 15. Pass to Medina. 2 points. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. Give the ball. Jersey number 27. 15 to shoot. Pass to Julius Estoya. Julius Estoya. Pass to para offensive foul. Jersey number 15, give it a ball. Jersey number 15, setting the play. Pass to Medina. Pangalawang subo. Wala pa rin nakuha ni jersey number 1. Pass to jersey number 1. Jersey number 01. Pass to jersey number 0. Pass to jersey number 01. Jersey number 01. Pass to Michael Sanggel. 2 points. Para kay jersey number 0. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey number 12. Pass to jersey number. Wala na kuha na yung foul. Foul jersey number 27. Jersey number 15. Pass to Frankie Raimundo. Jersey number 19. Pull up jumper. No good na kuha ni jersey number 6. Wala na kuha jersey number 0. Pabilisan. Agaling nyo ang gusto nyo. Easy to boys. Baba sa tatlo. Ang kalamangan ng 12-1. Jersey number 19. Frankie Raimundo. Pass to jersey number 12. Wala na kuha ni jersey number 01. Jersey number 01. Allen. Jersey number 01. Second, team foul. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 29, pass to Silver. 24 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 27. Jersey number 27. Bumika sa ilalim mo lang. Pwede ng ball. Sila wala. Pasok. Sablay pa rin. Umilaw. Ang linya.
Hawakan nyo na.
Bucket by and 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Jersey number 15 pass to jersey number 0, Gandang Peke. Kaso wala, talunan. Backward jersey number pass to jersey number 04. Wala pa rin. Jersey number 4, jersey number 29, nakalaito. Pero may foul. Who's favorite? Who's favorite? Push up. Para jersey number 29. Kondisyon talaga. Kondisyon talaga. Baba sa isa. Ang kaya mga nagdosero. Jersey number 19, Frankie Raimundo. Jersey number 19, pass to jersey number 6, Olvina. Olvina, DDM. Pero wala na kuha. Jersey number 29, pass to jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, pass to Kayla Lola. Wala na kuha ni pero may foul. Holding foul, jersey number 01. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15, Maseda pass to Divina. Wala na kuha jersey number 01. Jersey number 0 pala. Jersey number 0, Michael Sanguel. Pass to jersey number 01, 15 to shoot. Jersey number 01 setting the play. Take the long three. Wala na kuha jersey number 15. Pass to Frankie Raimundo. Pass to Divina. 2 points. Jersey number 01, pass to jersey number 0, pass to jersey number 29, pass to pinagkaintindihan. Dot dalawa, isa na lang tamot dot. Jersey 1, dalawa pa. Ay isa na lang pala, tag-isa. Tag-isa na lang, tag-isa timeout. Frankie Raimundo, gandang galaw, get the basket. Mike kasama pang foul. Foul. Low. Low. Jersey number 27, pass to Michael Sanguel. Take the three. 3 points para kay jersey number 0. Baba sa 3 ang kalamangan ng 12-1. Jersey number 19, pass to jersey number 15. Divina, wala. Remaining time, 1 minute and 45 seconds. Pass to Michael Sanguel. Michael Sanguel, pass to jersey number 01. 1, 2, 3. 3 points, dikit na sa 71. All 71 tayo, all 71. 15 to shoot, pass to jersey number 15. 10 to shoot, pass to Divina, pass to Olvina. 2 points, change favor, lamang na ng dalawa. Ang 12-1, jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, dribble the ball, pass to jersey number 27. Jersey number 27, 15 to shoot. Jersey number 27, pass to Michael Sanguel. 3 change favor. Lamang na lang isa ang North Bilwan selection. Frankie Raimundo, last 1 minute. Frankie Raimundo setting the play. 15 to shoot, pass to jersey number 6. Wala nakuha ni jersey number 01. Mapupunta ang bola sa North Bilwan.
Bola.
Loyola, pass to jersey number 7, pass to jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, pass to jersey number 37. 15 to shoot, last 35 seconds. 10 to shoot, jersey number 37. Wala na kaya ng jersey number 19 pero may foul. Jersey number 01. Jersey number 01, second personal foul. Talunan gulangan, mapupunta ang bola sa jersey number, inbound the ball, pass to jersey number 04, pass to jersey number 15, Maceda. 2 points, change favor na lang isa, jersey number 01, pass to Argel, mapupunta ang bola sa last 18 seconds. Last 18 seconds. Jersey number 29. Jersey number 29. Wala pa po yung bola. Wala pa yung bola. Last 15 seconds. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 55. Jersey number 01. Jersey number 0. Shot para kay jersey number 15. Wala na ko jersey number 27, Pasok. Foul. Foul, jersey number 0. Third. Second. Jersey number 0, third personal foul. Pangalawang bugso. Timeout! North Bilwan. Official score 77-74. 7 seconds. Just 10 seconds. 5.7 seconds. 5.7 seconds. 5.7 seconds.